Good afternoon, YouTube. This is El Saab here. I just received my new SMC Graphene Extreme V2 lipo, 8,000 milliamp, 394 power factor, and I thought I would open it up and let you guys unbox. So we got our knife. It's got this nice tape. Very nice, well-constructed box. Let's see what happens here. Alright, so we cut open the box. And we have the lipo. And some stickers. Some instruction sheets and some foam. And it actually has the voltage for all the cells. So I have my cell checker here. And let's see if it's correct. Alright, so we have got 387, 387, 386. It's a little bit higher on there, but it says it was checked on 9/11, but it's close enough. So then we will compare this to my other SMC lipo, and this is a 7200 milliamp. And you can see it's considerably bigger. This is a hard case lipo, and this is one with the G12 plates. This lipo has been very good for me. I've had it for about a year now, and it always delivers constant power. So I'm very interested to see how this one's going to compare to this one. And I was kind of hoping to get another one with the G12 plates because it's very solid, which hard case isn't bad, but we'll have to see how it all works out. Thank you very much for watching. Subscribe, and I will see you soon. Thank you very much.